To make your own custom starter pack or action figure, you need to have Chatgpt. You can easily download this app from App or Play Store. Now, after opening this application, add your photo from gallery and write this prompt. You can get this prompt easily from my description. Now make changes to this prompt, add the accessories you need in the pack, and then write your name and the tagline you need. You can make other changes too according to your preference. Now, after doing all this, click on Generate and wait for around 2 minutes until it generates the photo. So here is your own starter pack. Now just click on the image and then save the photo to gallery and you're ready to share.